Chiliz is a computerized money for tokenizing sports and diversion. This is a blockchain innovation that permits you to make items for normal customers. Chiliz was made by the Socios.com stage to permit fans to interface all the more effectively with their number one groups. Digital money gives fans the option to cast a ballot and the potential chance to partake in decision production for associations that join the Socios.com stage. Central worth. Fan tokens are an authority crypto token that contains the marking of member sports groups. With the assistance of tokens, fans get the option to cast a ballot and the valuable chance to take part in navigation in regards to their number one groups. You can purchase fan tokens utilizing Chiliz tokens. Fans get extra pay through tokenization. Likewise, all groups that interface with the Socios.com stage get a level of the commission charged for exchanges. The initial two groups tokenized on the stage were the Paris Holy Person Germain and Juventus football clubs. Then some more joined. West Ham joined together, Asociación Esportiva Roma, Club Atlético de Madrid, as well as the AGA Sports Group. Ownership of extraordinary marked accomplice club fan tokens will likewise give fans admittance to select substance. Gamification, social associations, and list of competitors includes that will be sent off during 2020. Chiliz is centered around genuine games as well as on virtual. The stage will turn into the foundation of the Worldwide Player Association. The GPL is a fan-driven, internationally versatile esports association, made for the present gaming and esports people group, fueled by the Chiliz token. Casting a ballot rights bought for tokens are executed utilizing shrewd agreements that permit direct communication between GPL groups and their fans. The venture didn't have a public ICO, as they raised $66 million from private financial backers. The undertaking pulled in the biggest digital money trades and driving cryptographic money finances in Asia, including Binance, Allright Blockchain Capital, and Sayuinit Ventures. Here are the upsides of Chiliz. 1. Credibility and monetary straightforwardness. The task is upheld by a current respectable organization that deals with the EU banking framework under full administrative management. In like manner, all organization accounts are confirmed and openly accessible. Such straightforwardness and trust are critical in the unregulated ICO market. 2. Market entrance. The main benefit of the task is its valuable collaboration. As referenced above, Chiliz has proactively made a few vital unions in a large number of disciplines, as well as in different locales. The Maltese government upholds the undertaking Playtech, esports famous people, and driving Southeast Asian esports and computerized advertising foundations. Such collaboration fundamentally builds the capability of the task to infiltrate the worldwide esports market rapidly. 3. The confidential Chiliz network is driven by the verification of authority agreement instrument, which is computationally less serious than the proof-of-work consuming interaction. The POA agreement additionally gives less exchange delay. Chiliz value examination. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Chiliz is $21 cents and CHC is buy and buy position no. 35 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of Chiliz is 6,044,972,347 CHC, with a market cap of $1,249,066,865.40. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by 1 cent in its ongoing worth. Chiliz is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. CHC has fallen by practically 21.71% over the most recent 7 days. With worries about the related dangers heightening in the beyond couple of days, we don't figure the coin would be a productive resource temporarily, despite the fact that it could major areas of strength for half. During the last month, the cost of CHC has expanded by 17.09%, adding a gigantic typical measure of 4 cents to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now in the event that it keeps on developing. Chiliz Value Forecast 2022. As per the specialized examination of Chiliz costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Chiliz will be 18 cents. The greatest level that the CHC cost can reach is 20 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 19 cents. In light of the value vacillations of Chiliz toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical CHC pace of 18 cents in November 2022. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 16 cents and at 19 cents, individually. December 2022, Chiliz Value Gauge. Digital currency specialists are prepared to report their estimate for the CHZ cost in December 2022. The base exchanging cost may be 18 cents, while the most extreme could reach 20 cents during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Chiliz may be around 19 cents. After the examination of the costs of Chiliz in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Chiliz will be around 27 cents. The most extreme expected CHZ cost might be around 32 cents. Chiliz Value Expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Chiliz, in 2024, CHZ is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about 37 cents and 47 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 39 cents. Chiliz Value Expectation 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have dissected the costs of Chiliz and their variances during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base CHZ cost could drop to 54 cents, while its greatest can reach 66 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 56 cents. Chiliz Value Forecast 2026. Overall, it will be exchanged at 83 cents. Chiliz Value Expectation 2027. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the variances of Chiliz. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical CHZ cost will be around $1.25. It could drop to at least $1.21, yet it actually could reach $1.41 all through 2027. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists plan conjectures at the cost of Chiliz. It is assessed that CHZ will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $1.73 and $2.11 in 2028. Chiliz Value Expectation 2029. Digital currency investigators are prepared to declare their assessments of the Chiliz's cost. The year 2029 not entirely settled by the most extreme CHZ cost of $2.97. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around $2.51. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost is $2.60. Chiliz Value Forecast 2030. Following quite a while of investigation of the Chiliz cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their CHZ cost assessment to 2030. It will be exchanged for no less than $3.62, with the conceivable greatest tops at $4.37. By and large, you can anticipate that the CHZ cost should be around $3.75 in 2030. Chiliz Value Forecast 2031. Digital currency experts are prepared to report their assessments of the Chiliz's cost. The year 2031 not entirely settled by the greatest CHZ cost of $6.29. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around $5.26. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is $5.44. Chiliz cost now at this point. Chiliz cost is 21 cents with Chiliz market capitalization of $1,245,467,701.47. Is Chiliz a wise venture? The figure for Chiliz cost is very sure. It is normal that CHZ cost could meet a bull pattern in the closest future. We compassionately remind you to continuously do your own examination prior to putting resources into any resource. Could Chiliz at any point rise? It appears to be that the normal cost of Chiliz could